Alright, I'm sorry for the bad audio and everything like this, but I don't have my equipment and I needed to make this video. So this is a review of the Realike case for iPhone 7 and 8 Plus. So here it is. Let's go ahead and take off the tape. Switch hands. There we go. Alright. Very nice presentation. Very protective, as you can see. There's nice foam around the box. And it is impact protection. It has impact protection, secure grip, anti-fingerprint, slim and lightweight, and scratch resistant. Looks like a very nice case. Let's go and see what we have here. So we have good luck for you and your family. And then business card. Very nice. So I have this. It looks scratched on camera, but that's just the outside. I'll show you right now what it is. Also have a microfiber cloth. It is nice that they included it. So, ready? Very satisfying. Okay, so that's the protective little piece there. And it has a little bit of dust on it now. But this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. The only thing I would wish is that 0.8mm tempered glass high frame quality. The writing on here would not be there, but other than that, it's a very good case. The TPU on this is very good. Very solid. I like that they put glass in the back, makes it more durable. And the outside bumper protection, as you can see. So, it'll help out the phone from not breaking. As you can see, perfectly fine. Let's test out the scratch resistant. So obviously you're just gonna be like just a little bit of scratches. Yep, scratch resistant. I don't see any scratches. No scratches, just dust. And a few fingerprints. Other than that, it's perfectly fine. It says it's anti-fingerprint. Has a little bit of fingerprints, but not a lot. Not very visible to the eye. Anyway, that's the whole entire package right here of the Realike phone case. If you guys do want one, I have not one, not two, not three, but 4 to give away. One will be on my Instagram, two will be here on YouTube, and one will be on my Snapchat. So, 2 basically to give away on YouTube. If you guys want to enter to win the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below if you want one of these, and then I will enter you in. You're automatically entered in. If you're not subscribed, stay subscribed, because this is a subscriber only or follower only giveaway. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, subscribe. And I'm sorry I haven't been posting, but I've been moving lately, and hopefully in about a week, next Saturday, I will be able to get my equipment and everything will be 100% better. See you guys next one. Thank you for watching.